And now the end of sneeze, and so I'll face the final curtain. My friends, I stay clear, I state my chase, of which I'm certain. I'll live a life that's full of privilege and every highway and more, much more than this. And I did it my way. Regrets I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and show it through without exception. I blame its car to cruise its gravel step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there was time, I'm sure you knew, when I beat up more than I could chew. But through it all, when this was done, I ended up and spit it out to face it all. And I stood strong and did it my way. I'm loving in Christ. I've had my feel myself losing, and now I still subside and find love so amusing. To things I did all that, and may I say, not in a sour way. Oh no, that's me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the thing it truly feels, and not the word of one who kneels. The record show I took the love and did it my it was my